The Friendly Frog Short Moral Story. In a quiet pond, a cheerful frog named Freddie greeted every animal, big or small, with kindness. One day, a thirsty deer approached the pond but was too afraid to drink because of the buzzing bees nearby. Freddie hopped over and spoke kindly to the bees, asking them to move to another flower. The bees agreed, and the deer drank peacefully. Grateful, the deer told Freddie, "Your kindness brings everyone together." Freddie just smiled, happy to help. Moral: kindness and friendliness can create harmony. Treat others with respect, and you'll build strong and lasting bonds. Thanks for watching.